Greetings and salutations, test takers. This is the Series 7 Guru coming to you from my off-grid location, getting our kicks on historic Route 66 with a explication request. This is for futures, using futures to hedge on 6566. Mark's company, which is located in Oregon, makes unfinished wood furniture. His company sells the furniture directly to a public from a large warehouse. Theresa's company, which is located in southern Georgia, grows cotton for t-shirt manufacturers. Which among statements correctly identify hedging strategies? I think an easy way to think about this is you do in the futures market today what you're going to be doing in the cash or smart spot market later on, right? Because that's the hedge, is what's going to happen in the opposite. What happens if you're wrong, right? So Mark in the future is going to be buying lumber. So he'd be afraid that the price of lumber is going to go up, so he'd buy futures on the lumber, hoping he makes up in that futures contract what he might lose in the cash or spot market. Again, you do today in the futures market what you're going to be doing later on in the cash or spot market. Okay, so now it leaves it with Theresa. Theresa is going to be selling cotton. Again, that's what she's doing later on. So you take the same action in the futures market today that you'll be taking in the cash or spot market later on. So she's going to sell the cotton futures, and if this price goes down, she's hoping up she makes it up on the cotton futures. So again, repeat, you do in the futures market today what you're going to be doing in the cash or spot market later on as the hedge. So the answer to this question is one and two. If you have an explication request, you can send it to explicationrequest@guruexamprep.com. Remember, inch by inch, futures hedging questions are cinch. Yard by yard, futures questions are hard. And I will see you for the next explication request.